Guys, welcome back to the channel. Coming to you with a couple of pieces of news that's quite interesting and that's probably going to help you make your decisions in the near future with your trading. So don't go anywhere. Do me a favor, help us support the channel and do so by subscribing and clicking the bell notification so that way you don't miss any more of our videos. So, with that being said, let's take a look at what's going on right now. So, if you've been following, today's market has been a complete teetotal disaster, right? Well, thanks to Trump's new tariffs, he caused around $2 billion in liquidations. Right. So most of the coins lost all of the gains that they made before the Trump election victory. So we kind of like took a step back, kind of like from day one, from step one, right? So um, Bitcoin fell during the Asian trading hours, so that 1 month low of around $92,000, right? All because of the trade tariffs. Now, it triggered one of the biggest ones event in all of last year. So, the entire market is red right now. So all of it became around the 31st of January when it took it. So Bitcoin fell 105,000 to 102 with just a couple of hours. So it lost around 3 grand very, very quickly. Then it went through the weekend, hit 100 grand, and of course the entire market started freaking out then and started going along down with it as well. Now, some market data is showing some altcoins also are facing some similar struggles. Ethereum fell nearly 20,000 or 20,000. 20% as well. It found support above the around $2,500 mark. Solana fell by 10% at 195 bucks. XRP fell 17 to 2.3. And some other ones like Dogecoin and Cardano lost around 20% each too, so a pretty big decline. Now, of course, the price performance actually wiped out these gains. Pretty strong. All of those gains that really came before the election victory. All right, so Arthur Hayes wrote, "The beating shall continue until morale improves. The pain stops when a TradeFi outfit is on the verge of bankruptcy. Then the Fed reluctantly joins Team Trump and prints that money." Right? But what about the tariff? So the market was actually spread across the board. Equities across different regions. Gold dipped, oil jumped up, and even crypto sold off violently. Uh, there's a firm from Singapore. This is what they were telling, right? So the QCP said that the tariffs on major trading partners like Mexico, Canada, and China made all of this happen. So, and they also said this decorrelation reinforces the view that today's risk-off move is driven by cross-asset portfolio rebalancing rather than a single asset event. So that 200 billion, around 742,000 traders. That's coming from CoinGlass data as well. Yeah, holding short positions, expecting actually further declines, faced the losses around $375 million. So traders with long positions were expecting gains, got the biggest hit. They lost around 1.88 billion. So the longs, right? Pretty strong. Um, Ethereum traders suffered the most, $611 million. 447 million of that came from long positions. Bitcoin, $411 million, and 340 million from long bets. So pretty strong. So all of the other assets, around $435 million. Binance, that's where most of it happened. $25 million Ethereum trade was completely wiped out. So very, very, very bad if you're an Ethereum trader on Binance. But what about Dogecoin? Now he offloaded 200 million Doge to Binance, all because of this market crash. So what's to really kind of come up next, right? So today, this whale offloaded 200 million tokens, around $49 million. Now usual market sentiments remain bearish in light of like big, massive whale dumps, especially when it's signaling a loss scale from investors' confidence in the asset. But the big dump also shows a coin's exchange supply actually showed the economics getting impacted as well. And Doge whale dump even raised bigger concerns because of the future movements that could be taking place as well, right? Dogecoin did crash 19% it fell, right? So it went from, yeah, the intraday bottom and the peak were around 0.2117 and 3043, 0.3043 respectively. So the Doge related developments have actually kept the coin pretty secure, all because of Elon. And there's an analysis by CoinGate said that Doge successes is actually saving Americans $1 billion and saving Americans around $1 billion, right? So yeah, so it's going good, but everybody's freaking out. So hold tight. Let me know of what you think in the comments section below. Like, do you think it's going to correct? Is it going to get better? Do you think it's going to get worse? So let me know in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.